The next part of the tutorial is to do an extruded cut. This needs to cut out from the shape. Click on the sketch, click on extruded cut, just check if it goes all the way through, and then you press the tick button. Once that's done, you need to shape the bonnet by selecting the top face and add a sketch. So click on the top orientation, click on the top face, sketch, line tool, just draw a line from there to there, right click, select. Then we need to use a smart dimension tool to dimension this. From this point to here is 88, and from this point to that point, smart dimension from this point to the edge is 15. Then you draw a center line. So let's click on the center line tool, and we draw a center line from this point all the way across, and we need to mirror this shape. So we click on the mirror tool, mirror entities, click on the line, make sure you click mirror about, click on the center line, and you mirror the line. Right, the next step would be, I've made a slight mistake, so what I need to do is join these lines together, otherwise extruded cut will not work. So I've joined this line to that corner, this line to this corner. Right click, select. Then you click on features, extruded cut, select both the shapes, and it should cut through. That's the body of the car so far.